Hello folks, this is Wes from B&B Audioconcepts, and today we are doing Hey folks, here we have a Porsche Macan, and what we're doing to this is a reverse camera and also a front camera. Parts supplied by Nav TV, installed at Audioconcepts. Okay, so we've got this car here. I'm going to put it into reverse. Okay, we've got the reverse camera with moving guidelines, PDC display. Once we come out of reverse and into drive, we've now got the front camera. Go back into reverse, we've got the rear camera, come back out, so sort of simulating a parking maneuver, and then after 11 seconds the front camera will turn off and go back to the normal entertainment screen. And there we go. Thanks for watching. If interested, give us a shout, 02920 707 275. Ask for Waz. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Don't really gotta care, girl, let's breathe for that. Do something raw to